Hi friends, just open your settings application from the menu. Okay, then select connections, then select Bluetooth, and you can see here my Rockers 235 Pro is connected, both HF. Okay, and if you turn on your Bluetooth device, and you can simply select which device if you want to reach, if you want to rename, just connect that devices. Okay, and you can see here my Rockers is active. So just touching on it, it is connected and battery percent is showing. And you can see here after opening that rename option, tap on it, and you can simply change it to anything. Okay, that's one of the very beautiful option in Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Samsung is customization now, so not in the basic models. I'm talking about high-end models and mid-range phones. So you can simply change your Bluetooth device's name to whatever you like. So that's one of the best option I feel in Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. So that is guys very simple tutorial. If you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replays as video so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.